What's up guys, I'm here at Victoria's Festival today and I'm very excited because I'm going to be working with Who's That Girl. We're going to be using a lot of glitter, a lot of colour, and my little sister Skye is here as well, so we're both going to be working together. Excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited, it's going to be so good.
Let's just get straight into it. Hope you guys enjoy. Look one. Look two. So guys, this is look two. I've just put a ton of glitter in my hair and so is Skye. You can do this with the glitter roots Who's That Girl stuff, which is so cool. I've also got mood lips and I've also got the beauty tattoos on as well. Also gave the colour hair a try as well. Have you enjoyed it, Skye?
Literally enjoyed it. I mean, this hair glitter is so cool. I use like both colours.
You can go and grab Who's That Girl stuff from any good toy retailers, so make sure you go and check them out. Ready for your festivals, parties, anything you want. And yeah, we've had great fun and we're going to go and enjoy the rest of Victoria's. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's go check out the performance.
Thank you so much, you guys. My name's Sapphire, I'm a singer on YouTube. I'm 15, you can go and check me out on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy my videos and stuff. This is my band, this is Charlie and Toby. One last clap for them. Also the girls, Tash, Henry, Emily and Rihanna as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the set. Enjoy the rest of your day, Victoria. Thank you very much.